In the topic data handling, there is a concept pie chart or circle graph. It means the data can be present in the graph of circle, and that is only called the pie chart. Why it is called pie chart? Because pi is the value is how much? 180 degree. It means in a circle the complete angle at the center is 360 degree. That's why it is called what? Pie chart, because pi is related to the angle of the circle at the center. So here we can see this is a circle, center is point is O. So at the O the angle is 180 degree upside, 180 degree downside. So total angle is how much? 360 degree. So we are going to present this data or any list or any chart on the circle. That's why this is called what? Pie chart. Let us consider one example. Here in a class, total of number of students are 40. So here subject and here the number of student, right? Subject is, for example, maths, science, social study and English. I have taken 4 subjects, right? Or we can take 5 also, or take 4, only 4. Maths, the number of students like math subject, for example, 10. Science subject 5. Social study, suppose we can take 10. English subject 15. So now total students are how many? 15 plus 5, 20, 20, 20, 40. Total number of students are how many? 40. So these are the 4 subjects and their number of students, those who like the particular subject. Now we will find the percentage of students, those who like the subject. So here 10. Total number of students are how many? 40. So those who like maths, that is what? 10. Out of total students 40, I want to find the percentage, so I will multiply by 100. Now total students like science subject, that is 5. Out of total student is 40, I want to find the percentage, so multiply by 100. Now total students like social study, that is what? 10. Out of total students how much? 40, I want to find the percentage, so multiply by 100. Now total students how much? 15. Out of total 40, multiply by 100. This is the percentage of English. Now we will see here, this is what? 25%. Now here that is 12.5%. Here 10, that is what? 25%. Here 15, that is what? 37.5%. And if you add here all the percentage, then you will get how much? 100%. This is what? Percentage of the favorite subject number of students. Now I will find out in the pie, in the circle, which subject occupies how much angle. So here we can say angle at the center of circle. Total angle in the circle is how much? 360 degree. And I want to convert this quantity into angle or angular portions. So here total number of students 10. Those who like maths, out of total students 40, I want to find their angle. So total angle is 360. So I have to multiply with into 360. Now 400 cut, that is what? 90 degree. Sorry, this is the degree. Maths, it is how much? 90 degree. Now social study will be how much? 10 upon 40 multiply by 360. So this one also 90 degree. Now 5 out of 40. So total number of students 5. Those who like science, out of total students 40, multiply by 360 degree, that is what 45 degree. Now English subject, that is what total number of students are 15, out of total 40, multiply by 360 degree, that is what 135 degree is the angle of each subject at the center of the circle. So this is the favorite subject, these are the number of students, those who like the favorite subject. Now this is the percentage and this is the angle at the center. See here, I have here multiplied with 100, I have here multiplied with 360. Here I want to find the percentage of the students, those who like their favorite subject. That's why I have multiplied with 100. But here I want to find the angle scored by each subject and the number of students at the center of a circle. That's why I have multiplied by 360 degree, because we know the circle makes the complete angle at the center is 360 degree. That's why I want to convert this measurement into angular. That's why it is multiplied with 360. But here I want to convert into percentage, so I have to multiply with 100. But when we are doing the circle graph or pie chart, there is no need of the percentage, right? So different subject, number of students those who like, and the angle made by each subject at the center, these three things will be work in the circle graph. Now turn to how to make the circle and the angles. Now our turn is to make the circle and the angles of different subject. So here first we will do one circle. Take one point, for example O. By putting this compass needle at the O, you have to make one circle with the help of a rounder or compass. So this way one circle can be formed. Example, this is a circle. Now here make one radius by joining the points of any 2 points here. This is one radius. Okay, this is the base for first angle. This is maths 90 degree. So you have to use what? Protractor for making that. This side is right side, so right side here in the protractor from here to here, by putting these points we can make 90 degree here. So this is what 90 degree. This 90 degree presents maths, so we have to write here maths, right? This is 90 degree. Now for science it is 45 degree. So we will put the compass like this, because the 45 degree angle can be drawn here on this. So this one will be the base ray. So putting the compass here, 45 degree will be here. This is what. So this one is 45 degree for science. Now for social study 90 degree. So by putting this one protractor here, we can make 90 degree. So this point is 90 degree. So this one is social study. Now for English, remaining is what? 135. Up to here it is 190 degree. Then this one is, by putting here the compass, we can do 135. So we can write 135 degrees for English. So this is complete circle covered by 4 subjects, 1, 2, 3, 4. 90 degree for maths, 45 degree for science, 90 degree for social study, and 135 degree for English. So this is the presentation of a pie chart, right? First work is to find the total number of students. Then we have to find the angle scored by each subject. So total angle is 90 degree for maths, total number of students. Out of total student size how much? 40. Now the angle will be what? Multiply with 360 degree. Then this one will be 90 degree. This way all this can be